Today I will tell you how to make slime in the home. The ingredients is 1 bowl and spoons, watercolors, glue and the slime activator. You can get the slime activator easily available in Amazon and Flipkart. In Amazon that is rate is 135 guys. So I ordered from the Amazon. You can also order. So we have to add the glue. You can add the fevicol also, fevigum also. You can't add the feviquick. And we have to add some water. Pepper water. Add little bit of water. Okay, now we have to mix it. Add little bit of glue. There is watery, no? That's why add little bit of glue. And we have to mix it nicely and add the colors. You can add any color also. I am adding the blue. Adding the blue and pink. Right, because I need purple color. I don't have purple. That's why I'm using this two colors together. That's it, guys. To mix it. That is not purple, but little bit of purple. That's it. And add the glue. Little bit of glue. And I'm adding this colors, golden color like this one. Why? Because it's nice, the sprinkles. That's why. I will give you in description box the slime activator, okay? And add the activator, slime activator. It drops. I can 5 2 drops I add that. I think we have to add more. That's it. Have to mix it. Then, see, the slime is activating. I think we have to add more activator. That's okay. I think that's okay. Okay, this is working. This is so cool. Mix it. Mix. That's so sticky, guys. It's so sticky. We have to add the activator more. Ugh. I think we have to mix it. We have to mix it, guys. This is not. I think we have to add more activator. So sticky bull. It's so sticky, you know. Chalo, mix it. See, the slime is so dry. Now it is no sticky, no. Now it's, you have to mix it with our hand only. So our slime is ready, guys. See, that is not stretchable now, but you have to mix it, that will be stretchable, I think so. I will give you in description box, guys. I will give you in the description box slime activator. I'm mixing well with hands, but it's still stickable. I think so. I add the activator also. I think we have to mix it. Correct. We have to mix it. The slime is over, but what sticky it is. So messy, you know, guys. I have to clean it. The cameraman is Shirax. Oh my god, now it's okay, guys. Now it's okay. Not live, no? That is live, huh? Live! No live. Mix it. Okay. I make another slime, another slime, Papa. Another slime. Only one. Okay, now it's okay, guys. The slime is okay. This is stretchable now. After some time, it's not.
You want to make another slime?
Yeah.
A different color?
Yeah.
Which color you want?
I don't know, but
What do you want to pick? There are a lot of colors there.
idea. I close.
Pick only one color. Don't mix 2 and 3 colors.
Okay.
It becomes different color. Okay?
I will guess the color. I will close my eyes.
Arey, pick the nice color. No, pick
no,
the.
I will close my eyes and I will pick one color.
Okay.
Which color I got, that color only I make the slime.
Yeah, do it then.
Okay.
Go ahead.
This slime is no good. I love it.
White is doesn't look like a slime. It is more stretchy.
Yes,
Why? What is the reason?
Why? Because we're not adding the another chemical. No, that's why.
Which one?
This is
There are only some water, some Fevicol and a slime activator. 3 of them are enough, right, for making slime?
Yes. But
Why it has become fail? It doesn't seems to be slime for me. Why? What is wrong?
What is wrong?
Show me. Give me.
We don't add the shaving cream. No, that's why it's not.
Huh?
Shaving cream.
What shaving cream?
We have to add the shaving cream. That's only we add the shaving cream also. That is stretchable.
I don't like this. Take it.
This is bad. It's like bad.
It looks different to me.